Okay, so we're on a walk. There's my doggie, and I come down the street. We're a little bit away from home, and my cat has followed me. Come on, Luna, let's keep going. She thinks she's a dog. No, baby. Come on. Come on. Luna, come on. Luna, out of the street. This is why I don't like for her to follow me, but she did. Come on, baby. There's my dog. Hey, there's Stormy. Come on, Luna. Hey, come on, Luna. Come on. Yes. She thinks she's a dog. She followed me further than she ever does. Come on, baby. Come on. She usually stops at the end of our street, not today. Come on, baby. Come on. I know. I told my husband. He said no. Come on, Luna. Ah, kitty, come on. Come on, Luna.